हेलो एवरीवन। आज हम बात करेंगे पेप्टिक अल्सर। पेप्टिक अल्सर होता क्या है, तो हम आते हैं डेफिनेशन पे। डेफिनेशन है पेप्टिक अल्सर डिजीज रिफर्स टू पेनफुल सोर्स और अल्सर इन लाइनिंग ऑफ द स्टमक। लाइनिंग ऑफ द स्टमक और फर्स्ट पार्ट ऑफ द स्मॉल इंटेस्टाइन कॉल्ड द duodenum. लाइनिंग लाइनिंग ऑफ द स्टमक and or the first part of the small intestine called duodenum. An ulcer in the stomach is known as a gastric ulcer, while that is the first part of the intestine is known as the duodenal ulcer. Peptic ulcer is a condition in which wound appear in the lining of stomach or duodenum along with a burning stomach pain. In this case, a low pH peptic acid secreted by the wall of stomach or duodenum start eroding the mucosa. Bacterium H. pylori and long-term use of an acid are the main cause of peptic ulcer. Now discussing causing factor with including pathophysiology of peptic ulcer. Some factor cause peptic ulcer, some defensive and aggressive. Defensive is bicarbonate, mucus layer, prostaglandins, mucosal blood flow, epithelial renewal. And aggressive is H. pylori, NSAID, pepsin, bile acid, and smoking and an alcohol. Now about discuss pathophysiology of peptic ulcer. Ulcer normal condition is physiological balance exists between gastric acid secretion and gastroduodenal mucosal defense. Mucosal injury and thus peptic ulcer occurs when the balance between the aggressive factor and the defensive factor such as an acid and H. pylori infection, alcohol, bile salt, acid, and pepsin can alter the mucosal defense by allowing back diffusion of hydrogen ion and subcutaneous epithelial cell injury. In the simple word, peptic ulcer is cause imbalance of aggressive and defensive factors in stomach. In simple word, peptic ulcer caused by aggressive and defensive factor imbalance in stomach and small intestine. Now discuss sign and symptoms of peptic ulcer. First is burning, abdominal pain, nausea, vomiting, and chest pain, unexplained weight loss. Next is bloody or dark stool, bloating, burning or acid reflux, poor appetite, and anemia. It is sign and symptoms of peptic ulcer. Now discuss about diagnosis. First is EGD, esophagogastroduodenoscopy. Uh, EGD is an endoscopy procedure and upper gastrointestinal series UGI, urea breath testing. This is coming under the EGD. And barium soil, and then take X-ray and blood test presence of H. pylori. Now discuss treatment of peptic ulcer. First is changing lifestyle, second medication and surgery. Changing lifestyles such as smoking, eating healthy eat food and drinking alcohol, changing lifestyle, exercise, and now discuss medication for peptic ulcer. So first is proton pump inhibitor, such example omeprazole, ramiprozole, lenalidomide, and second H2 blocker, famotidine, ranitidine, antimuscarinic drug, and antibiotic which to kill H. pylori such as amoxicillin, metronidazole, and mucosal protective drug such as antacid, bismuth. And now discuss prevention of peptic ulcer. First is avoid NSAID, avoid more alcohol and cigarette, to take diet, fulfill vitamin, take healthy diet, means take healthy diet, avoid more oily diet. So this is complete overall of peptic ulcer. Thank you.